In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images into shapes in Microsoft Word. If you've ever wanted a photo to live neatly inside a circle, a banner, or any custom shape, this is the cleanest way to do it. I'm starting with a document that already has a shape on the page, so you can follow along with one you've already added. First, select the shape itself. Click directly on its outline or inside the shape until you see the sizing handles around it. This tells Word you're working with the shape and not regular text or the page. If you click away and lose the handles, just click the shape again to reselect it. Next, go to the Shape Format tab on the ribbon. You'll see it appear as soon as the shape is selected. In that tab, look for Shape Fill. It usually sits near the left side with options like Shape Outline and Shape Effects. Open the Shape Fill menu to reveal the different fill types. From that menu, choose Picture. This tells Word you want the shape to be filled with an image rather than a solid color, gradient, or texture. Depending on your version of Word, you might see options to browse your device, use stock images, or search online pictures. Pick the option that matches where your image is stored. Finally, select the image you want to use and confirm. Once you insert it, Word places the picture inside the boundaries of the shape automatically. The image becomes the fill, so the edges are clipped to match the shape, whether it's a circle, triangle, arrow, or something more complex. A few quick pointers to make this look great. If you don't see the Shape Format tab or the Shape Fill button, the shape probably isn't selected. Click it once more and try again. If the picture looks cut off in an awkward way, resize the shape from a corner handle to keep proportions looking natural, or reopen Shape Fill and choose a different image with a better composition. If your theme colors are affecting the look, check the picture format tools for corrections and transparency to fine-tune brightness and contrast without leaving Word. And if you need to move the shape after filling it, just drag it on the page or use the layout options to wrap text around it cleanly. That's all there is to it. With these clicks, you can turn any shape into a polished image frame right inside Microsoft Word.